India has set an ambitious target to achieve $2 trillion export in new foreign trade policy, which has launched on 1st of April. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is India's foreign trade policy. Friends, foreign trade policy is a set of guidelines that is established by the Director General of Foreign Trade Policy, and first time in 1st of April 2015 the first foreign trade policy was launched in the line of make in India, skill India, ease of doing business, etc. And the main objective of this foreign trade policy is to achieve good export as well as to generate more and more employment in the country. Friends, when the first foreign trade policy was launched, it was for 5 years, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, it was extended for 2 or 3 years. And now this 1st of April 2023, next new foreign trade policy has been launched. If I talk about the expectation from the new foreign trade policy, then their major expectation is to achieve $2 trillion export as well as to make Indian economy $5 trillion. Some other major expectation that is to establish the export hub in district as well as to imbalance the country's economy. Some other expectation that is that's our first is upgradation of the infrastructure of India. As we know today, China has become the export hub for the world. So major reason is their infrastructure, the roads, railways, highways, sea routes, as well as the waterways. So these kind of infrastructure India need today. And in the budget of this year, India has also increased 33% in the investment of the infrastructure. Second, the awareness for the foreign traders. Indian traders generally do not know the foreign rules of the trade. So these foreign trade policy also teach them about the foreign trades. Friends, in my conclusion, today India is developing day by day. India has set many ambitious targets to achieve $5 trillion economy, $2 trillion export. And in recent data that shows that Indian export is now more than $700 billion. So that is remarkable performance by the India. And in the future, the new foreign trade policy will definitely work to achieve the $5 trillion economy of India. Thank you.